what we do is we help companies to solve their learning challenges, whether they're, training their employees because they're growing, or whether it's, to support their customers to be successful. And that means, for us, it means creating some video. So we kind of live in your world a little bit. We also create a lot of interactive learning, and it's about turning what can be boring learning into great stories. So that's what people remember.
Now, you guys have recently partnered with the Oakville Community Foundation. Tell me about this partnership. I mean, the headlines read to reduce inequities in the community. What exactly does that mean, though?
Well, exactly what that means. The Oakville Community Foundation is an amazing foundation that I've known for a while. And, they have a really clear mandate, not just to provide support to charitable agencies, but to make sure that diversity, equity, and inclusion are things that are thought about really carefully by the recipients of that funding. What it meant for us was capturing the stories of Indigenous elders, of people with specialty in women's rights, and all the other various topics that come up as part of diversity, equity, and inclusion. Capturing those stories, sometimes on video, sometimes as text, and building really great interactive learning that people can take at their own time, at their own pace.